Fruits Basket is one anime that needs no introduction. Even if you haven't watched it, you certainly must have heard of it. The anime, which originally aired its first season in 2001, couldn't make it through to next season owing to creative differences. Fans waited, and waited before ultimately giving up after years, only to be greeted with what can be called a miracle for the anime community. The anime was picked up again, and the reboot of first season was aired 18 years later, that is, in 2019, following the next season in 2020, which were both huge success, and final season is announced for 2021. This not only brought immense joy to the fans of Fruits Basket, but also set a spark in the anime community by instilling hopes of comeback of other forgotten or delayed anime. So, what all are these anime that fans are hopeful for? Well, let's look at some which certainly deserve a quote Fruits Basket. The first name that comes up, that is, the unanimous top choice to follow the Fruits Basket saga, is undoubtedly the fabulous Oran High School Host Club. A classic and one of the most popular anime of all time, this rom-com harem centers around Haruhi Fujioka, who is a scholarship student at the prestigious Oran Academy. She dresses up like a boy since the boy clothing is cheaper and hence is often mistook for a guy. She runs into the all-boys host club of the academy, where the most good-looking guys of the school host girls and engage with them in fun activities. She accidentally stumbles into an expensive vase and hence is made to act as a host to pay off the debt. Eventually, her fellow host members realize she is a girl, which leads to laughter rides throughout the series, since she has to pretend as a guy to be the host, and what follows is the story of strengthening bonds between the host club members. Presenting a variety of interesting characters, the first season originally ran in 2006, and the next season never saw the light of the day. 14 years later, Oran still remains a favorite among anime lovers. Next up on the list is the pet girl of Sakura So, which is kind of debatable. The manga and light novel has different endings, thus splitting the fans into two groups. One that want another season hoping it will follow the light novel, and the other that isn't too fond of the manga ending. But one thing common between the two groups is the love for the anime, and the supporters group is big enough to include the show over here. Talking about the plot, the story is set in Sakura Dormitory, hosting strangest and most troublemaking high school students. The dorm resident Sorata Kanda ends up being the caretaker of the new member of the dorm, the eccentric Mashiron Shina, who is a renowned artist but incapable of surviving on her own. That is, she cannot even take care of her own chores and is even an airhead, as she doesn't understand basic societal norms. That is, would even walk in front of a guy completely naked. The rom-com then follows their daily lives and mental growth, which gets very deep or complex at times. The show originally aired in 2010. The Devil is a Part-Timer aired in 2013 and revolves around another world's demon lord Sadao Mao and the hero Emilia, who's on the mission to defeat him. Following a battle between their armies, Mao is transported to modern-day Tokyo with his general Alcil via a portal, and Emilia following close behind to continue her mission. What follows is their struggle to adjust in this unfamiliar world until they regain their magic to go back. And as the name suggests, the Demon Lord picks up a part-time job to meet ends. While at it, the Demon Lord and the hero end up forced to cooperate at times and grow together. The anime isn't that old and the manga is still ongoing, but here's the deal. The first season covered very less of the material available so far. In terms of light novel, it only covered 2 volumes of the 27 in total. What makes things sadder is the fact that the author replying to fan comments in 2017 made it clear the sequel isn't being thought over and hinted it might never happen, thus crashing down the hopes of the fans. Let's hope the Fruits Basket success turns out the push for this anime too. Stay tuned for the next part.